Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
I didn't see you get on. No matter how many times I've been relocated, I never get used to it. End of the line.
Welcome. Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers. I thought so much of City 17 that I elected to establish my administration here in the city so thoughtfully provided by our benefactors, parts unknown. Welcome to City 17. It's safer.
It's all I have left. All right, I'm moving.
Welcome. Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining. Welcome to City 17. Welcome to City 17. You have chosen or been chosen to relocate to one of our finest remaining centers. I thought so much of the
I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
For the cameras. I've been working undercover with civil protection. Can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my feeding quota.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman!
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect. I'm thinking. As long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay. Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab.
Dear Dr. Breen, why has the seen fit to suppress our reproductive cycle? Sincerely, a concerned citizen. Thank you for writing. Of course, the question.
You'll have to wait your turn like everybody else.
Decision for mankind. Will they ever deactivate the suppression field and let us breed again? A concern rather than consider the fact that for the first time ever, as a species, immortality is in our reach. This simple fact has far-reaching implications. It requires radical rethinking and revision about genetic materials. It also requires planning and forethought and money directed to position us to keep us safe in those hard-scrabbled
Our place. Don't worry, they'll find one. Oh, I thought you were a cop.
He's one of us.
Look at him there.
I told you they'd be coming for us next.
Just this once, I hope you're wrong.
I can't take it anymore. What are we going to do? When is it all going to end?
Attention residents. This counts integrity in your block. Cooperation with your city's protection. Summary full. There's no time to lose. Attention residents.
Get in here, quick! Keep moving! Head for the roof!
Get
going!
You'll not expect.
Over here! Ha! No, you don't! Dr. Freeman, I presume. You better hurry. The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way. Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. This way. I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with me back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. Man, a few words, aren't you? Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen. Through here.
Can't keep him here long, Doc. It'll jeopardize everything we've worked for.
Don't worry, he's coming with me.
That's right, Barney. This is a red letter day. We'll inaugurate the new teleport with a double transmission.
You mean it's working? For real this time? Because I... Here we go. Ah, damn it, get it off me!
Lamar, there you
I
are.
thought you got rid of that pest.
Certainly not. Never fear, Gordon. She's debeaked and completely harmless. The worst she might do is attempt to couple with your head, fruitlessly. Well, Gordon, go ahead. Slip into your suit now. For comfort and utility. Oh dear.
Doc, we don't have time for this. At least get that suit juiced up, Gordon.
Good idea. There's a charger on the wall. Yes, Eli. Bit of a holdup on this end. You'll never guess who found his way into our lab this morning.
That's not who I think it is it?
Indeed it is, and it's our intention to send him packing straight away in the company of your lovely daughter.
Are you ready for us, Dad?
We're all set on this end.
Then let's do it.
2, 1. No, fiddlesticks. What now?
Doctor, the plug.
Excellent.
You gonna let Gordon throw the switch?
Gordon, go right ahead. Very good. Final sequence. Commencing now.
I can't look.
Okay.
And not a moment too soon.
Excellent. Initializing in 3, 2, 1. Barney, if you'd be so kind.
Good luck out there, Gordon.
Yes, indeed. We're ready to project you, Gordon.
Gordon, stay put. We'll get you out of there.
Something's drawing him away.
What's the meaning of this? Who are you? How did you get in here?
There he is! Oh, we're losing it again.
The man I saw. I'm all but certain it was Gordon Freeman. Behind you. Shut it down. Shut it down.
You must get out of here! Right.
Hey, Gordon! The Citadel's on full alert. I've never seen it lit up like that. Oh, and before I forget, I think you dropped this back in Black Mesa. Good luck out there, buddy. You're gonna need it.
Guess those sirens are for you, huh? Good thing you found us. You're not the first to come through here by...
This is the Freeman. The Combine's reckoning has come.
Look, we're just a lookout for the Underground Railroad. Main station's right around the corner. They'll get you started on the right foot. Meanwhile, let my Vortigaunt friend here give you a jolt to get you going. Get out of here.
I'm gonna stay here in case any others come through. Gotta keep the real
Civil protection is coming. Tearing up the railroad, covering our tracks. Looks like you're gonna be the last one through. You better get going before they sweep through here. Oh, shit!
Medical systems engaged.
Authorized. Stabilized.
Dr. Freeman, aren't you?
To east.
Better get going now.
Go ahead and get in the boat, Dr. Freeman. You'd better get going now.